Ty, why are you eating my notebook?
It balances you. It fills you with energy. And it gives you what you're looking for to live a more natural life in a convenient 2-bar pack.
And now you're eating your own paw. Oh gosh.
It's most delicious. Life's biggest decisions often come down to the numbers. At Southern New Hampshire University, we offer over 180 online graduate and undergraduate programs. For over 18 years, we've been offering online education, building on the promise we made 80 years ago to make higher education accessible and affordable. As a nonprofit university, we have just one focus: you. See yourself succeed at goto.snhu.edu.
Woo!
Ladies and
Yeah.
gentlemen, let's give a few words about the power of bacon stuffed with Nestle Toll House morsels. You can heal a broken heart with a butt cake. Make a Monday
Oh, I thought that
feel
said
like a
butt
Friday
cake.
afternoon with some Nestle Toll House morsels. Let's close our
Go get it.
laptops and open our
Go get it.
These things don't
Fetch
bake
my
themselves.
dog
We
cat.
have to bake them for one another. We can make the world a better place. One Toll House cookie.
Don't eat my paper. Don't eat my paper. Don't eat my paper.
Good life.
It's not every day that you find yourself at the corner of a little flu shot and a world of difference. Now through October 14th, when you get any immunization at Walgreens, we'll help provide a life-saving vaccine to a child
You
in
need
a
it.
developing country through the UN Foundation's Shot at Life campaign.
As I
Together,
shove it
we
in
can
your
supply up to
face.
3 million vaccines. It's easy to make a difference at Walgreens. Simply get a shot and give a shot. At the corner of happy
Don't look so
and healthy.
offended. Oh!
Forward you will look. The farther forward you will see.
Are you ready? You gonna get my hand?
We have enough
You gonna get my hand?
You know, we're looking at less than 12 hours to have the
That's
finals.
exactly what his time was.
Hey, we don't know.
He wants them to know that no matter what, he can still get to them. Get caught up in Criminal Minds, weeknights on Ion Television.
Do it! I dare you!
Voltaire
Do it!
said,
Do it!
"The man
Dare
who
you!
by ecstasies and visions, who takes dreams for realities, is an enthusiast. The man who supports his madness with murder is a fanatic."
Oh, I dare you! I dare you!
Travel with you guys like once every 2 years.
Trust me, Mom, it can't get old.
All right, like the way that spa treatments and 5-star hotels. Remember the time we got on board and they hadn't showed the crystal?
Ooh, I almost got the BAU that day.
Okay, you know what? You guys can joke all you want because I am never leaving this plane.
You do not look happy.
Each killed in a completely different neighborhood. Hell's Kitchen, Murray Hill, Lower East Side, Chinatown, East Harlem.
Doesn't make any sense. There's no common victimology, no sexual component, no robbery,
not even
no
doing
geographical
anything.
connection. Did the police have any leads?
He's killing
Twitch,
roughly
twitch.
every 2 days. The press is having a field day, and it sounds
Twitch.
like the mood on the street's getting pretty edgy.
It's a joint FBI NYPD task force.
Kate Joyner heads up the New York field office. She's running for the police and called me directly. JJ, would you
Just
tell her we're
come over here already!
Kate's starting to butt heads with the lead detectives and wanted a fresh set of eyes.
Joyner, I know her. She's a Brit, right?
Well, dual citizenship. Her father's British, her mother's American.
Really?
She was a big deal at Scotland Yard before coming to the bureau.
Get
I heard
over
she was a
here.
pain in the ass.
I didn't think so.
You know?
We liaised when she was still at Scotland Yard.
And she's good?
I think we're lucky to have her.
And we're clear.
Oh! Ow! Right for the vein. Ow! You poop.
Get me an extra set of clothes. Tell forensics I don't just want to cross-check with Connecticut and New Jersey. I want Interpol as well.
Yeah, hide in
Have
shame.
you arrived yet? They should be here soon.
Hide in shame.
Shelley, can you get me the commissioner?
Hide in shame.
Never mind, we'll call.
You're a devil kitty. You're just like, oh no, look at me, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. No! I beg to differ. You're a devil.
Have you been?
Well, thank
You take
This is Mike
joy
Joyner.
in
This is David Rossi, Emily Prentice, Jennifer
oh,
Turbo, Penelope
bringing
Garcia,
me
Derek
pain.
Morgan, and Spencer Reed.
Thanks for being here. Anything that you need, just tell me. Please don't stand on protocol.
What can you tell us about the surveillance system?
It's run by the NYPD.
Here, play with this
Still
one.
in the infant stages. It's been rather
That one's your favourite.
controversial. American privacy laws. But they've had some success.
Silly
And they'll
black
have the
marker.
benefit. They're already expecting you.
Don't go after my headphone,
To get a
please.
map of the borough, I would do a
That dropped.
comprehensive geographical profile of the area in order to
As
ascertain
I'm
Yellowstone's mental
listening
map
to
before it's
music.
clouded by our own linkage blindness.
So you brought your own computer?
Detectives Preston and Cooper, I'll let you do the introductions.
Look, I
Caught the
don't
first
want to
shooting?
play with
They've
your
all been in different
damn
precincts. Wasn't until
thing.
the third murder that anyone even made the connection. I guess this is where we
Well, then I'm gonna go get your
what you need.
I'll let
pointer
you figure
letter
out what that
thingy.
is. I just asked that you run
See if you
everything
like
back
playing
through
with
me.
that.
It's been my experience
Instead,
having one battle
ready for this
is,
magic?
you know.
Ouch.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have a word with you in private?
Go for it. 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 Go for it.
They, liaised when she was
I
at
dare
Scotland
you.
Yard. Of course.
I dare you. Look at that tail twitch.
So you're getting resistance from NYPD?
It's nothing I wasn't expecting. They're good detectives, just no self-respecting cop wants to have his ass kicked by some broad with a posh
Bite
British
your paw.
accent.
Bite your paw. Bite your paw.
So what's going on?
What can you tell me about Derek Morgan?
Bite your paw. You know you want to. He's like, stop.
Hey, so what's your partner's problem?
Well, by the fourth
I'm
murder, the
bored
FBI
with
was
my
brought in.
kitty cat.
Good. We need
Well,
all the help we can get.
Hartley's kitty
But,
cat.
all of a sudden, she's taking meetings with the mayor and calling in you all without us knowing anything
Go
about it.
for it. Go for
We're
it.
only
Go
here
for
now.
it. Go for it.
Think of us as a resource.
Okay. Profile me. What am I thinking?
Will you go for it?
It's never gonna happen.
No offense.
You're
but
so
we've had
fat.
5 murders. Hope it gets better than that.
Will you go for it already? Fine, I'll go to your favorite place to chase after it.
You must be
On
FBI.
my panda backpack butt tail thingy. You're not even looking!
Visitors. You want Hartley? No, I'm here. What's your operating system?
Linux
Someone
OS
might be
with
home.
6 gigs of RAM.
And a dual quad-core 3 gigahertz processor
Who is
with
it?
a GeForce 8800 Ultra
Mama?
Extreme